What gave you the idea for this place? Huntavasa. Who's Huntavasa? Yeah?
A crazy designer. He's a good designer.
A good designer. An artist. So this is a spiral design. It's a never-ending spiral, a Huntavasa spiral.
Hi, my name is Waikato and I'm 9 years old.
Hi, my name is Randy and I'm 8 years old.
Hi, my name is Bailey and I'm 9 years old.
Hi, my name is Alice and I'm 8 years old.
Hi, my name is Frank and I'm 8 years old.
We are from Matangi School.
We had to design our ecological buildings, so like making them out of like our little materials. Like we had to use a roof, a floor, no walls, and you had to build it out of materials from the nature. Yeah.
We just saw in the native area just an open space and we did not know what to use it for, so then we came up with an ecological classroom. An ecological classroom is like a classroom built out of materials from nature.
My ecological classroom design is with a boulder in the middle and 4 chairs on that outside that the children can sit on, about 35.
Okay, so I built a tree house with a roof. So technically, I was supposed to build a ladder, but that failed. And then I made a little roof up there, and you can also sit under it. This hut is for the pets, because pets like sunny places. So I leave gets. This is our hut.
Yeah, it's all the sticks are all on this one natural ground. Then you got an entrance here.
Yeah.
But it's really hard to get in, and if they break one stick, the whole thing would probably fall. This is our fairy village.
I didn't see anything.
So we have a nursery,
Christmas tree.
restaurant, 2 houses, and then we have a doctor's office.
So we just made a floor and yeah.
Right, and who's the hut for?
Basically anything that can fit in it.
So the idea came from the ecological buildings thing. I had some ideas about building huts in the ngahere. I wanted them to explore our ngahere. Really wanted to do was just leave the kids alone and let them discuss for themselves. So I put out some magnifying glasses and some mirrors, and they just went and picked them up, and they found some cool things. Look.